Before installing an AP, check the type and specifications of the installation scenario to determine the installation method and required materials. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a solid wall using common expansion screws. If the wall is a partition wall or hollow brick wall, refer to the procedure for installing APs on gypsum boards. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation, as the installation position may be high. Only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Do not insert a paper knife deeply into the box when unpacking to prevent damage to the device inside. You need to prepare a 7mm mounting bracket and plastic expansion screws. Mark the positions for drilling holes for expansion screws using a marker. Use Group H holes on the mounting bracket. A level instrument can be used to mark the holes to ensure equilibrium. Drill holes on the wall using a hammer drill. The holes should fit the expansion bolts. Hammer the expansion tubes into the holes until the expansion tubes are flush with the wall. Install the mounting bracket on the wall. Connect their Ethernet cable to the AP as required. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet on the rear of the AP fit into the mounting holes. Slide the AP downwards slowly when you hear a click sound from the release lever. The AP is properly installed. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.